YouTube, what's the word, man? It's your boy Kenzo. We back in the video, man. We got C cooking and cut, man. Y'all see, Star Mafia Group. Hope y'all having a good day, though. It's a nice, beautiful day.
Think about my kids and I get mad cause I can't even see them. Shit'll make you spaz out and just crash. Shit, I got that wheel. Hey, all you really gotta do is keep it real. Anyway, half of these little niggas ain't even street for real. Anyway, I'ma get them meals and get my people fed.
YouTube. What's the word, man? It's your boy Kenzo. We back with another video, man. And today, today is a special day, bruh. Yeah, I haven't really been, I've been really silent about everything going on. I really tap-telling with everything that's going on, man. But if y'all don't know, I got a clothing brand. Yes! Yes! Shout out to my brother for making this shirt, you know what I'm saying? See, it's my first album I did, but I currently got the boxes outside, man. So my manufacturer shipped half the hoodies. The other box supposed to come tomorrow. So today is Wednesday, May 28th. So as y'all see, I'm gonna do that. Yeah, Wednesday, May 28th. So I'm finna bring the boxes in and see how the hoodies come in, and we finna lock in. Yeah. So I'm gonna bring this box in. This a heavy box, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This is the first box as y'all see, so we're gonna get the second one in. They both weigh about 15 pounds.
What up, bro?
This box, overly heavy, man. I ain't gonna care. This only half the shipment, bro. I'm gonna turn it this way.
8,000 years later.
Oh, man. Hey, y'all boys see, man. And that big bow. Alright, finally done trolling, man. Unboxing, bro. Shout out my manufacturer, man. SMG, this a brand, Star Mafia brand. Recording on YouTube right now. Recording on TikTok, bro. Hey, SMG, Star Mafia, this a group about rising stars, people that stars in the making, man. So if you a star, bro, or feel like you on a path to, you know, greatness, man, come join us, man. Silver. Damn, this the pink. The pink colorway, man. Y'all see, Star Mafia group, bro. This the small. We got the red too. Hold on. As y'all see, we got all these smalls, man. Star Mafia group, though. I gotta open this one up too, man. Woo! Yeah, we got some grades in her.
hours later.
YouTube, what's the word, man? It's your boy Kenzo. We back in the video, man. Turn y'all the brightness up a little bit. Hey, man. Today, as y'all see, we dressed up pretty fun, man. Hey, this the SMG hoodie, as y'all see. This the all black, man. Y'all rocking with the hoodie, man. Tap in with it. Y'all see, we got the rosary to go along with it. Hey, we finna currently go to this Rack Baby concert. It's a Lil King concert, man. And I ain't never been to a concert in my life. So I'm going today by myself, so we gonna see this hoodie tough, plus the rosary. But let me show y'all. Turn the light on. See, man, we going real smooth. Work our bottom up. We go Christian Louboutin, all black. Black jeans, jean pants, man. Black Louis belt. Then we go to custom SMG hoodie, man. Then we got the, I forgot where I got this hat. I think it's from like Sicko Monster or something like that. But yeah, I got this for like Christmas. I haven't worn this hat in so long, but this hat's like perfect with the hoodie. Yeah, we got the signature SMG hoodie, man. So yes, sir. Come here. Gonna take this shit over, man. So hey, I'm gonna pick it up when we get over there.
12 seconds later.
YouTube, what's the word? Yeah, we finna slide in this bitch, man. Tell the people this is my man, run the show. Hopefully this shouldn't take I'll be coming late, so that's on me though. But hopefully it won't take too long. I'm gonna go pick it back up when we in there.
Hey, again, thank everybody for coming out. Shout out to the commentary again.
Glad you keep it shit tomorrow.
What'd you say? I didn't do it. Like, if I ain't got nothing to do, I gotta see it. But most likely next time.
Oh, no games on the building now.
And we about to get on the time here.
Yeah, I came late, but this shit was lit.
Yeah, we can
I got like 7:30 or something. Yeah, we came late as hell. Just getting that, yeah. Hold on, girl. Getting that, yeah. That shit hard. Young Kenzo, he chillin', man. We DT walking, cause it ain't nothing else to do. Yeah, I was tweaking on that other block. You know what I'm saying? Look at the people. Hope y'all having a good day though. It's a nice, beautiful day downtown. DT. I don't know what these niggas they be taking. So it getting hot. What you say? This like a concert and shit. I don't know what just happened right here though. I think they was in a fight or some shit. Slit DT. Be some bad shit, man. Bad shit everywhere, but pick our boys back up when it's busting.
3 days later.
YouTube. What's the word, man? It's your boy Kenzo. Back in another video, man. Say we back. I don't know if I'm gonna put this shit in this own video. I don't know if I'm putting that video on to put this in another part of the video. Who hoodie is that? That shit hard, bitch. That shit hard as hell. Oh, dancing.
Flick up, man.
We got C clip in the cut, man. Okay, man.
Yeah, I just had to go check on the V, see that bitch was getting tough.
I'm finna do these product shoot, so I'm at turn hold the camera.
You know, we just coolin', finna take some flicks. Real shit, real nice shit, you know, like, look at that. Bro, that look like, bro, that's a picture right there.
Yeah, that shit hard. Yes, sir, man, yes, sir. Hey, no flick 'em up, coach.
Hey, let me buy wood.
It be looking faster than that bitch. It was all there, in there, try to do these product shoots and hit these shit up.
Fried heel, got the colors.
Tap in. We got that hot shit, man. We're going crazy. You know what I'm saying?
But take your flicks with all your flavors in the light though.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, where they trying to get at? Yeah, see, you gotta flick us, man. Yeah, man. Hey, we got all flavors to this bitch.
This is I'm rocking the small right now.
That bitch hard though, son.
Yeah, all of these fit. I rock a low key. I had a medium.
I love small, son. Charles, what you been on, man? Hey, why I see Eric the other day? He was delivering Domino's. What you want, man?
Really?
Yeah, these bitches is, yes, A1. Everybody I came across when I had the zone said this was A1.
Yeah, that bitch is hard. Yeah, hell yeah.
I became a Cole's first day. That was yesterday. Took bitch instantly. I like your hoodie on this Star MAFIA hood. Man, I need that.
See, I'm finna the business cards, bro.
Yeah, you got to.
We might well flick up for a sec. Hold on, we gonna flick up real quick, man. Get this shit started. What's the word, man? We currently taking pictures on that, bro. That shit probably look crazy. We gotta do this product shoot. We finna run through this shit though. This shit finna take like 5 to 10 minutes.
That's what you think.
Yeah. Bow. I just had to chill, I just had to lay low. Counting up that bread, now I'm getting queso. Yeah, we don't fuck a rat, so you know that case closed. Hit that little bitch from the back, told that little bitch take those. I just had to chill, I just had to lay low. Counting up that bread, now I'm getting queso. Yeah, we don't fuck a rat, so you know that case closed. Hit that little bitch from the back, told that little bitch take those. Yeah, she fake though, yeah, I really hate hoes. Yeah, she fake pole, yeah, I really hate hoes. Like a box of Krispy Kreme, yeah, my little bitch break though. Yo, bitch all up on my dick, but yo, bitch, she shank though. When I see a camera on my life, I strike a pose. Yeah, I get a good on my wife, I'm like a rose. All you niggas be some babies, better get a diaper, bro. All you niggas steady hating, yeah, you Peter Piper, bro. We like NATO, giving niggas halos. Getting quesos, matter of fact, get pesos. I can't lie, 9th grade, yeah, I was a lame, bro. Started chillin' with J Money and I got some pay, bro. I just had to chill, I just had to lay low. Counting up that bread, now I'm getting queso. Yeah, we don't fuck a rat, so you know that case goes. Hit that little bitch from the back, so that little bitch take those. I just had to chill, I just had to lay low. Counting up that bread, now I'm getting queso. Yeah, we don't fuck a rat, so you know that case goes. Hit that little bitch from the back, so that little bitch take those. You just been my slut, you can't be my bride, oh. Talk just like a tower, yeah, I'm like the iPhone. If we ever need a bucket, I'ma call her ISO. Kids over here, superhero like it's Marvel rivals. Yeah, you got some hate, but it's super micro. When it come to money, I'm the money maestro. Yeah, said we steady fucking, we ain't got no time, ho. Heard you fucking all these niggas, you can't be my white hoe. Look, bro, he so blue on my side, he gotta go. Bro, we on your head, you gon' lean a line it, bro. Yeah, we having so much dough, we serving dough like domino. Yeah, your bitch just call me daddy, I am not no Papa Joe. I just had to chill, I just had to lay low. Counting up that bread, now I'm getting queso. Yeah, we don't fuck a rat, so you know that case goes. Hit that little bitch from the back, so that little bitch take those.
Behind the scenes, Star MAFIA group. That's a small too. So they do. So they fit bigger than what you think. Like, okay. That's a good thing.
Yeah, I made it.
I'm a superhero at the way I say today, but I'm thinking I'm a villain cause I never had a kid. Shorty, she a runner and this bitch is like a maze. Off the dope, I'm steady sleeping, this bitch I'm feeling dead.
Well, I said we still gonna be close friends, so
I've been laughing, all these niggas stacking bread, I'm out the way. If you need a bucket, I'ma call her ISO. Cause he a superhero like his Marvel rivals. Bitch, I need that cheese, I need it out like underlay. Bitch, I'm moving presidential cause that nigga getting paid. How much should it do you? Yeah, they hop out with the cake. Stepping back, they steady shooting, all them niggas know it's spray. Thinking Jesus Christ, all the nigga know it's spray. Towards boy, I be chillin', yeah, a nigga born in me. If he wanna choke me, we gon' call the time blow. Kids though he be having motion, tell me something I know. All these niggas faking, yeah, they made a lipo. Niggas say he having motion, had to hit the eye roll. Coolin' in Atlanta, had to stay with my hoe. Yeah, I'm beating shorty pussy, yeah, I made her eyes roll. She said that she love me, I'm like, baby, I know. But she never understanding that she just a side hoe. Phone steady ballin', going back with my bro. You say you have some paper, yeah, it's super micro. You can keep it real, you don't gotta lie, bro. Ever since I got some money, left it on the side, bro. Nigga wants to be like this shit is guy, bro. Kids don't he be. Little nigga, what's up, let's Django. 242 shot, let's tango. Little nigga, you broke, get a bankroll. Mask up, ass up like Kano. 17 hit his top, yeah, it's mango. Get guard, no stop them pesos. Little nigga, 2 wear like J-Zo. Gear 2 go fast like Fago. Gear 2 go fast like Fago. I fuck on that bitch, he a slut.